Hey gal pals! I'm still trying to think of like a intro that's not annoying or that's not stolen, but I can't think of anything, so I'm trying to have gal pals. If you hate it, let me know. I decided to do something a little bit different, so it's not actually going to be a makeup tutorial. It's going to be a random makeup generator number thingy bobber. Let me explain it just really quick. I listed everything that you are supposed to do your makeup, and I put a number to each of them, and it's actually in order. So 1 is face primer, 2 is the blah blah blah. I got a number generator app on my phone that I'm hoping I know how to record and then put in the video, so it's like all professional and everything. If I don't, I'm a little scared because then all this hard work will be wasted. If each step has a number to it and I push the I'm gonna get a random thing to do on my face first, so it's not gonna go in order. Let me just read it off really quick about what each step. So 1 is face primer, 2 is MAC Prep and Pot. 2 is MAC Prep and Prime, 3 eye primer, 4 setting powder, 5 eyebrows. 6 is the transition shade, 7 the deepening shade, 8 is the shimmer shade, 9 is eyeliner, 10 is mascara, and I can't put mascara on my top lid, so we'll just do the bottom. 11 is wet beauty sponge, 12 is foundation, 13 is concealer, 14 is to set my face with face powder, 15 is brush away the face powder, 16 is contour, 17 is bronzer, 18 is blush, 19 is highlight, 20 is setting spray, 21 is lip liner, 22 is lipstick. So as you know, each one has a number. I press my handy dandy randomizer buttons from numbers 1 to 22. If I just hit it, you can see it says 17. I would have to start with my bronzer. Nothing else except bronzer first. Actual just bronzer. Actual powdered bronzer. Whoa. That was sad. Let's get started. As you can tell, I don't even have makeup in the introduction because I kind of want to see how this ends up. I'm really excited because I've never done something like this. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm going to push the record button on this. I'm really praying I do this right and that I know how to actually put this in the video. If I don't, I'm going to be so embarrassed. So I'm going to record it. So we are at 17 right now. We're just going to randomize it. This is our number 8. So let's see where that is on our list.
We're going to start with the shimmer shade.
So I'm actually going to use my new nude palette by Huda Beauty. I thought I'd use something other than like a typical shade that I used for my last video. Something with a little color, you know? So we're going to start with a shimmer shade. We're going to use Crave that looks like this right here. We're just going to dip in and I'm going to zoom you in so you can see. Alright, we're just going to dive in right with our shimmer shade. So I'm going to just use my finger. So this is Crave. Next step. Okay, so we have our shimmer shade. Let's go to the next step. We're at 8 and we got number 1. Yay! Oh, actually it's really good. It's face primer. Just gonna kind of go and we're just gonna use the Smashbox photo finish and we're just gonna pat it on. Face primer is on now. Next up, and we landed on number 1, and we are going to randomize again, and we actually landed on 1 again. That's embarrassing. We are on number 4. Number 4 is setting powder. What I meant about that, for number 4, I meant setting powder for your lids. So we're actually just going to take our Airspun Loose Face Powder by Coty. We're going to take a fluffy brush. Be right back. Right, we're just going to dip into our setting powder. Ooh. We're just going to brush this on top. Okay, so we landed on 4. We got 17. So 17 is bronzer. We're going to take our Hoola Benefit bronzer and we are just going to bronze our face like we normally normally should. I was actually going to put wash your face and moisturize as one of the number choices, but then I was like, you know what, it's just going to wash off. It would have been funny and entertaining, but it would have been pointless at that point if I washed everything off or something. So now that we have our beautiful powdered bronzer on, we're gonna randomize. So we start on 17 and then we're gonna do it one more time. We got 18, it's just blush. We're gonna take our Bare Mineral blush because honestly that's the only blush I have right now. So we're gonna take our little blush, our blush, and then our blush. What is this called? Brush! This is really bad. We're gonna go. We got 7. It's a deepening shade. We're gonna go into our Huda Beauty palette and we're gonna pick a deepening shade. Really nice dark plum. Whoops. Plum one right here. So I have you really nice, close, and personal because I wanted you to see my beautiful deepening shade. As you notice, it's kind of patchy, and I don't think that's the palette's fault in all honesty. I think it's just kind of what I've been doing. Exactly how I wanted it to turn out. So we landed on 7, and we're gonna 8. And 8 is our shimmer shade, which we've already done, so we're gonna do it again. We got
17, which we've already done.
We're gonna do it again. We got 18.
Which we've already done.
We got 10. 10 is mascara. So we're gonna put mascara on the bottom of my lashes really quick. We'll be right back. Under eye mascara is done. We landed on 10. We got 15. We have brush away. We don't have anything to brush away, so we're just kind of gonna wait on that really quick. We got number 6. So that is our transition shade. I'll pick a lighter shade for this one. Right there. We're gonna use Tickle the transition shade.
Oh goodness.
Well, what do you guys think? I have no idea why I don't know how to apply eyeshadow today. I mean, again, I don't think it's the palette fault. I think it's just the way I'm applying it because I never prepped my eyes or anything, which is a nice lesson to you all. I've used this palette before. Make a look that I have on my Instagram. We're gonna move on at this point. So now that we have our transition shade, let's see what we get next. Number 2, that is eye primer, okay? We are going to prime our eyes. To prime our eyes we're gonna use the Tarte Urban Decay concealer to prime our eyes. We're gonna use a brush to prime our eyes. I'm gonna do the other eye. I'll be right back. Our eyes are primed.
Don't they look amazing?
I covered up all the mistakes I had at this point. We're gonna go to the next step now. Eyes are primed. We landed on number 2. Next one is number 1, which we've already done. 17, which we've already. I have a feeling this app really likes certain numbers. 18, we've already done. 13, we get to conceal. We're gonna use that same Tarte, and we're just gonna conceal really quick. I just remembered I haven't wet my beauty sponge yet. I'm doing this with the dry one because wetting my beauty sponge was a step. This is blended as we'll get.
13, still on 13.
Let's see what we'll get. 20. Setting spray.
No harm, no foul with this one actually.
Landed on 20.
I don't know why I like 17 so much.
12. Foundation.
I'm gonna go with foundation.
For foundation, I'm taking my matte and poreless Fit Me Maybelline. Again, I still have a dry beauty sponge or blender sponge. foundation is done. Next number we landed on was 12 right here, so we're gonna randomize. 18, already had it. 17, wow, I don't know how many times we've had 17, I'll count. 4,
Already had it.
9, we haven't had eyeliner, so I'm not really gonna do anything fancy with eyeliner. I'm just gonna do a simple line. Let me zoom you in. Okay, so I started on my line right here. I'm gonna go do the other eye. I'll be right back. Alrighty, eyeliner's done. This is actually the first time I put on eyeliner with eyelash extensions. I still have to get used to it. Almost done, so I kind of wanted to update you on this test we have left. So we have the number 2 MAC Prep and Prime, number 5 eyebrows, number 11 wet the beauty sponge, number 14 set with the setting powder, number 15 brush it away, number 19 highlight, number 21 liner, and number 22 lip liner. We landed on 9, and we're gonna see what we get next. 22! We're gonna do our lips. The Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color. Lipstick is on. Our last number was 22. 16, we have contour. We're gonna use my Anastasia contour kit. We're gonna take this contour shade and mix these two. We're actually just gonna use a brush. I kind of use it just as a contour brush because it has this kind of shape at the end.
It's not wanting to blend.
And I will be right back once I do the other side. Okay, so we have our contour on. So again, we landed on number 16.
What beauty sponge?
This is going to be absolutely useless. Let's do it. So we landed on 11.
Da, 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 da.
Bye.
We need to do our eyebrows. We're hoping for 19. Our We're gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. Let's use Summer right up in the corner right here. We're just gonna dip. Yeah, my dog's barking. We landed on 19 with our highlight. We landed on 21, folks. That is our lip liner, because the only lip liner I really have is from the Cosmetics lip kit in Coco K. 14 and 15 left. We're just gonna do 14 and then we're gonna do 15. So 14 was set and then brush away. Alrighty guys, this is the final look. I think the end result was a little better than what I thought would happen. My eyes are absolutely ruined, horrible. Things could have gone worse. I really hope you enjoyed this little makeup challenge that I kind of gave myself. I wanted to do something fun instead of a tutorial, which I hope I'll do next. I've never ever done something like this because I'm in the mindset of if you're gonna spend an hour doing your makeup, do something that you can wear all day because you did spend a lot of time and energy and money just trying to entertain. Spice things up a little on my channel. Not always do tutorials, maybe do something that I don't know if this has ever been done. If it has, let me know because I want to give credit where credit is due. Kind of fun to have something entertaining while you're doing something else. You get to hear someone talk, kind of like you're sitting with someone and you know.
Have a little gal pal chat, chit chat sesh.
Don't forget to subscribe. Also hit that little bell and I really hope to see you guys soon. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. If you don't, let me know. If you did enjoy something like this, I have other ideas that I'm kind of thinking about daily that I could definitely start filming. And yeah, see you guys soon. Thank you.